Don't rush when you brush.
Hi, I'm Ruby.
Hi, I'm Rose. Hi, I'm Sparkle the turtle.
This video is called Don't Rush When You Brush. Today we are going to show you how to brush your teeth. Sparkle the turtle likes to take his time when brushing. He always says, don't rush when you brush.
Yes, that is because teeth are important. They help you chew food and give you a lovely smile like mine.
So if we didn't have healthy teeth, how will we eat a crunchy apple?
If we didn't have healthy teeth, then our teeth would get sick and maybe even fall out. So make sure you brush your teeth twice a day, every day, so that bad bacteria doesn't grow on your teeth and make you poorly or your mouth very sore.
Wait, what is bacteria?
Well, there are two types of bacteria, good and bad. Bacteria are tiny, whiny living organisms like bugs in your mouth and can cause really bad pain if you don't brush your teeth.
So if I don't brush my teeth, then bad bacteria can make my teeth pearly.
That's right, they will get cavities.
What's cavities?
Cavities are basically holes in your teeth, like these ones. These holes can hurt your teeth. So remember to brush your teeth twice a day, every day.
So how long do I have to brush for?
2 minutes. And remember, don't rush when you brush.
So how do we make sure we brush our teeth properly then? First, we squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto our toothbrush and then we put it diagonally against our teeth. We want to brush in circles. We need to make sure we brush our teeth from one corner to the other, cleaning all the surfaces of our top and bottom teeth. Make sure you brush the cheek surface, the biting surfaces, and the insides. Don't forget to brush the teeth and the gum. If we are using an electric toothbrush, it does the circles for you. Then, after 2 minutes, spit the toothpaste into the sink and don't rinse. Make sure not to swallow.
Okay, so remember these golden rules. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes. Don't rush when you brush. Spit, don't rinse.
Bye!
So is there anything else we can do to keep our teeth clean?
Yes, make sure you go to the dentist at least every 6 months. A dentist is a special doctor for teeth and keeps our teeth healthy and squeaky clean. Sparkle, please come on in.
The dentist will ask you to sit down in a chair that goes up and down so they can see inside your mouth properly. The dentist will put on their mask and gloves and then look inside your mouth.
Remember to open wide. Ah!
Now I'm going to paint your teeth with magic purple dye to see where all the plaque is.
What's plaque?
Plaque is a family of bugs that can grow on your teeth and gum that can cause cavities and can lead to a lot of pain. Plaque gets stained by this purple dye. Have a look.
So if we don't brush our teeth properly, then plaque gets stained by this magic purple paint.
That's right. The purple areas are where you have missed brushing. So make sure you brush all surfaces of all your teeth like we've taught you.
Twice a day, once in the morning and once before bedtime. And remember,
Don't rush when you brush. Spit, don't rinse.